Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. Today we will be reviewing our analysis made in August and early in September about the three main American indexes, which are the Nasdaq, the Dow Jones and the SP500. Please subscribe to our channel if you want us to keep releasing technical analysis and price predictions for free. Also like our videos and leave a comment. As you can see here, the first chart to be analyzed is the Nasdaq 100 index. Early in September, to be precise, on the 2nd of September, I've been publishing a video related to Tesla, Apple, and Amazon, where I've been quite direct, giving you out a warning. Actually, the title of that video was Calm Before the Storm, and actually, what happened is that the day after, Tesla, Apple, and Amazon all three tumbled down. Since then, we are inside a very strong movement downwards. In August, mid of August, I've been alerting you about a very strong movement downwards in front of us. So you can check both videos. The 2nd of September, the very most probably the most important video about Tesla, Apple, and Amazon. And in August, you can check out my predictions about the SP500, the Nasdaq, and the Dow Jones. So what I do see analyzing the Nasdaq on a weekly basis is that, as I've been stating you and as I've been warning you several times, we are outside the upper band, which is a very negative signal. So we should be expecting the price, in other words, the Japanese candle breaking below the upper band. And as a very, very first target, I do believe we are going to hit at least 9,800 points. Yet we are going to I do believe we are going to hit the lower band that we can project around 9,000 points. This is a weekly chart, so we might see some retrace over the next days, but most probably we're going to experience a very strong vertical movement downward. So in terms of of choosing between two scenarios, I do believe we will have something similar at what we have seen here, and then some squeezing and some movement up. So let's check out the daily chart for the Nasdaq, and let's see what the daily chart can tell us. As you can see here, once the price has been breaking above the upper band, we have experienced a strong movement downwards. Actually, we should see something that we have seen early in March. So very first target for the daily chart is 10,500 points. Again, switching to the weekly chart, the very first target is below 10,000. I would say 9,700 points. From there we should be experiencing movement up to then continue the movement downwards. So over the next months, I do believe the Nasdaq, all the three index will be tumbling down in a very severe way. I've been warning you about Tesla, Apple, Amazon. I've been very clear, warning you not to buy Tesla, Apple, and Amazon and those levers, because those levers were absolutely crazy, absolutely out of any kind of rationality. I've been clearly stating that Tesla at 800 in terms of price against earnings was totally a mad thing. I've been stating and I've been many times explained to you that one company is already expensive when the price against the earnings is equal to 30 or 40. Here we have 800. Tesla 800. Price against earnings equal to 800 was absolutely something, I would not say outstanding, but something really sick, something that uh, that can give you the idea of what is happening right now for the American stocks. And the reason is because, they from the political parties, from both the parties, they don't want to accept the idea of making the stocks tumbling down. But this is going to happen anyway. And this is happening right now. So they can do whatever they want, but at the end, no one is going to buy Tesla at those crazy levers. A normal lever for Tesla, given the fact that it's a very extremely small company, the real worth for Tesla should be $2 or $3 per share. Okay, $2 or $3 per share. Now let's move on and let's analyze the SP500. As you can see here, we have detected several cycles with different amplitude, with different length. So we're not sure about the next legs yet. What is quite clear is that we have broken below this ascending triangle. So we have broken below the ascending support, the oblique ascending support. So in terms of price target, we can definitely project as our next target around 3050 points. From there, we should be experiencing a movement up and then a new movement down. So guys, let's be really careful right now. Let's not buy at those crazy levers. I've been stating many times, I've been warning you many times not to buy those levers, but also I've been clarifying that I'm not a financial advisor, so it's your choice if you want to do it, but under a mere technical point of view, and we want to be ethic. Okay, I don't want you to lose your money. Okay, so the Financial Trading Academy want to be an ethic academy. We don't want you to lose money. Okay, so we had to warn you, we had to say the truth to you. Right now we are inside an immense crazy bubble. I know that you have received many suggestions for buying from several commercial banks, from Morgan Stanley, from Goldman Sachs, from the government. Okay, but is the right way to lose your money, because here we have set up the all-time high, or at least the all-time high for the next 10 years, guys. So let's be really careful. Now let's move on to the US 30, to the Dow Jones, and let's see where we can project the next target. Even in this case, we can project as our next target this area, okay, from where we see all this candle around 2500 points. So we are just at the beginning of the downtrend, guys. Let's be careful. You are free to buy those levels, because I might be wrong, yet given the fact that I study the market and I trade the market since already 20 years, and given the fact that you can visualize, that you can test my trading ideas, you can visualize my videos. Okay, so you can see if I was wrong or if I was right. I'm telling you, we are at the beginning of a disaster, guys. Then of course, once we will see lower prices, once we will see the price hitting the lower band, then we can again start buying. But let's be really careful right now. So 2500 points is my target for the Dow Jones 30 over the next weeks. Thank you, guys.